Mommy?
Yeah.
She's Mommy?
Yeah, tell Mommy what you're doing.
Well, what? Washing the foot.
Washing the foot, yeah. So today's Mother's Day, 2013. That makes Goldie 1.5 years old. She's washing the foot.
Washing foot.
Yeah.
Washing foot.
Yeah.
You say washing foot.
Yeah. You're doing a good job washing the foot.
Washing foot.
You heard Lev? Lev's setting up your dollhouse in your room for you. He wanted to set it all up.
Washing foot.
So your cousin Mia gave you her dollhouse. And Lev's setting it all up in your room. Are you all clean? All clean. All clean.
Washing the foot.
All clean. You're washing your belly, aren't you? You're washing your belly?
Bobby.
You're really scrubbing too.
Mother should do nice today.
Yeah. Are you in the bath, Goldie?
Washing the nuts. Washing the foot.
Yeah. Your feet are going to be really clean. Do you have 2 feet? How many toes? Scrubby, scrubby. Oh, you're getting all sudsy. Get really into this, huh? Are you all clean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Not clean.
No? Still dirty? Lev, if you knew how much soap she was using, I think you would think she's clean. Okay, those ribs are looking shiny.
She did that body dirty.
Oh, you were dirty. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm dirty.
You were so dirty. Dirty baby. Well, now you're all clean. No face, no face, no face.
So dirty?
Yeah.
Dirty.
You were dirty, baby.
Baby.
Okay, Mommy's gonna turn it off. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.